Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger permission error. So if you're going through this problem, first of all, you need to launch your App Store on your device or Play Store, whichever device you're using. Click on the search bar and search for Facebook Messenger application. Once you find it, if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. And after updating your application, go to your settings, then go to general, then select iPad storage. After that, scroll down, select Messenger, and try offloading the application and reinstall it on your device. Then scroll all the way down in the left-hand side of the screen, select Privacy and Security, scroll down and select the camera icon. Make sure that the toggle beside the messenger is turned on. Likewise, go to microphone and also toggle on this option to enable microphone in your messenger application. Likewise, you can also go through other different options and set the permission according to your preference. If this does not work, try uninstalling the application from your device and reinstall it again, and also try restarting your application. Furthermore, you can also check your internet connection. Make sure that you're using the stable, strong, and reliable connection. And these steps should definitely help you fix the Messenger Facebook permission error. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.